Hello children. Now see here, last lecture I think so in thermodynamics we have finished with the problems till fourth sum we have finished, and first two sums were based on the work done minus P delta V, and the next two sums yani ki first second was on the formula of W minus P delta V, and the third and the fourth sum was based on W max is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log to the base 10 V2 by V1, or you can also use the formula as P1 by P2. Now today we are going to continue with your next problems, and the number is 5th, and I have already written on the question on the blackboard. So let us read it. Now see here, delta H for the reaction. Delta H value is given for the reaction. The reaction is this ethane formation. Okay, so 2 carbon plus 3 H2 is given C2H6, and the delta H value is what? 84.4 kilojoules at 25 degrees Celsius, and we are supposed to calculate delta U for the reaction at 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, R value is given. R value is 8.314 joule K inverse and mole inverse. Okay, so this is the question given, and we are supposed to calculate delta U value. So let us collect all the data. Just a minute. Okay, fine. Now see here, delta H for the reaction. Now delta H value for the reaction is given, that is minus, minus 84.4 kilojoules. Okay, R value is given, it is 8.314 joule K inverse and mole inverse. Now one is in kilojoules, the other is in joules. So we are supposed to convert this joules into kilojoules. So let us do that. 8.314 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilojoules K inverse and mole inverse. R value we have written, delta H value we have written, and temperature is given to you all. It is 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we are supposed to calculate delta U, and the formula for delta U I am writing on this corner over here. Okay, the formula is delta H is equal to delta U plus delta nRT, and since this reaction we are always considering for the gaseous state, so we can also write this as delta nGRT. Okay, now in this is a question, this is given to you, R value is given to you, temperature is given to you. 25 degrees Celsius is the temperature, but we are supposed to take it in the Kelvin. So 25 plus 273, which is equal to 298 Kelvin. 5 plus 3 is 8, 2 plus 7 is 9, and this is 2. Okay, so temperature is given, and delta N value is not given. So that delta N you are supposed to calculate with the formula, and the formula is number of moles of gaseous product minus number of moles of gaseous reactant. Means product minus reactant, but in the gaseous state. So I am writing here number of moles of gaseous product minus number of moles of gaseous reactant. Okay, so this is the formula for delta Ng, and let us consider this reaction from where we are going to take the number of moles. Now first products it is said for the gaseous reaction. So products number of moles, here it is nothing means 1 is there. So I am writing here as 1 minus. Now reactants, but gaseous terms should be there. Here it is not there. It is in solid state. We cannot consider 2. So directly we are going to consider hydrogen, and the number of moles for hydrogen is given, that is 3. So 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. So my final answer for delta N is minus 2 moles. Okay, so we can substitute delta Ng as minus 2, and delta H is given to you all, minus 84.4 is equal to delta U plus inside the bracket we are supposed to solve because plus is also there, and your delta n value is -2. R value is given 8.314 into 10 raised to -3, and temperature is also given, which is 298 Kelvin. So let us solve this. Okay, bracket first. So let us solve the bracket ka answer, and then we can substitute by changing the signs and all that. So delta U I am keeping as it is over here. One corner I am making for the calculation over here, this side. So can we directly multiply instead of taking log anti-log? Directly also we can do easily. So let us go through that method. Okay. Now 298 multiplied by 2. Now 298 multiplied by 2 is easy. How much it is? Twice you are supposed to take. 8 2s are 16. Just writing here. 1 minute. Minus 84.4 is equal to delta U plus inside the bracket minus 8 2s are 16, 1 carry, 9 2s are 18 plus 1 19, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. So 596 we are supposed to multiply by 8.314 multiply by 10 raised to -3. Okay, so let us now do the multiplication only of 8.314 into 596. 8314 multiply by 596. 6 4s are 24, 2 carry, 6 1s are 6 7 8, 6 3s are 18, 8 6s are 48, 48 plus 1 is 49. Multiply 9 4s are 36, 3 carry, 9 1s are 9, 10 11 12, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 1 28, this is 2 carry, 9 8s are 72, 72 plus 2 is 74. And the last multiplication, 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7, 5 3s are 15, 5 1 carry, 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 1 is 41. Now we are supposed to add all this. This will be 4, 8 plus 6 is 40, 14, 10 plus 1 11, 10 plus 8 18, 18 plus 7 how much will it be? 19 20, 25, 2 carry, 8 4 plus 4 plus 2 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 7 8 and 9, so this is 9 and this is 4. Okay, so my answer is 4955144. Point shifting will be from last digit, 3 digits before, 1 2 3. So answer is 4955144. Point is here after 5. Okay, so let us write down the number over here. Just a corner I am making over here in between. With the other pen if I make it will be better. Now see, yeah, minus 84.4 is equal to delta U, minus sign will be there, minus 4955.144. Okay, and multiply by 10 raised to -3 is also available. Now this -3 10 raised to, we are supposed to shift the point to towards the left side by 3 number because it is negative 10 raised to minus 3. So my answer is minus 84.4 is equal to delta U minus 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 4.955 and many numbers are there, 1, 4, 4 and all that. Okay. Now let us consider this also. If you want, we can take it 1, 4, 4. Now keep delta U on one side, the other numbers should be on another side, all the numbers. This will be plus sign because minus will become plus. 4.955144. Okay, now one is minus, one is plus. We are supposed to subtract and we are supposed to get the answer after subtraction. So let us subtract. Just doing the subtraction here only somewhere. This is 84.4 and this is 4.955144. Okay, here it will be 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. So 9 minus 1 is 8. Again 9 minus 5 is 4. Again it is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now this becomes 3. So 3 minus 9 is not possible. So we are getting a carry over here 13. 13 minus 9 is again 4. And this carry 13 minus 9 na? And this is now 84 minus 4. Let us just check it once again. This is 84.4 I have written. This is 4.955144. Okay, and everywhere I have put the 0. This is 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. This was 9. 9 minus 4 5. This is again 9. 9 minus 1 8. This is 9. 9 minus again 5 is 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. And this carry we are taking from here 3. Okay, so when we are taking a 3 carry over here, so 3 minus when it is not possible, as we have taken 13, so here also we are supposed to cancel this 4. Just a minute. Okay. This 4 we are supposed to cancel and make it as 3 because we have taken the carry here. So 83 minus 4 is again not possible. So 3 and this is 7. So 13 minus 4 is how much? 9 and this is 7. So my answer is 79444856. Many number is there. So we will take only few of that and the point will be here of course. Okay. So my answer is 79.44. Unit is kilojoules. The question is delta U. Now see here, that is the answer for your question. Delta U is equal to 79.44 kilojoules. But this 79.44 kilojoules will be along with the minus sign for the greater number. So I am just putting here minus sign. Okay. So final answer is delta U is equal to minus 79.44 kilojoules. So this way we have calculated delta U for the reaction. Okay. So this way we are supposed to solve the sum. The formula is delta H is equal to delta U plus delta NGRT, and simply we have solved. This multiplication I have done. It took maybe a long time. If you think, now you can also go through a log, anti-log. But in log, anti-log, what you have to do is log of this, addition, and then anti-log. You will get the answer this. Okay. So either method you can follow, and this is plus minus what I have done. So final answer, as I told, it's 79.44 minus it is. So we have finished with your fifth sum, and I'm continuing with the sixth sum now. Okay, now before that I'll just take a photocopy of this so that I can send you on the WhatsApp also, and we will continue with the next sum. Just a minute. Okay, now we will continue with the next sum.